Welcome to this tutorial on why use Phantom Wallet extension. In this guide we will walk you through the benefits and advantages of using Phantom Wallet extension. Firstly, Phantom Wallet is a digital wallet that allows users to store, manage and transfer cryptocurrencies. The Phantom Wallet extension is a browser extension that enables users to interact with the Solana blockchain and other decentralized applications directly from their browser. One of the main reasons to use Phantom Wallet extension is its convenience. With the extension, users can easily access and manage their cryptocurrency funds without having to navigate to a separate website or application. This makes it easier to make transactions and interact with decentralized applications. Another reason to use Phantom Wallet extension is its security. The extension uses advanced encryption and security measures to protect users' funds and sensitive information. This provides users with peace of mind when making transactions and interacting with decentralized applications. Phantom Wallet extension also provides users with a seamless user experience. The extension is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for users to navigate and use. This is particularly useful for users who are new to cryptocurrency and decentralized applications. In addition to its convenience, security and user experience, Phantom Wallet extension also provides users with a wide range of features and functionality. These include the ability to send and receive cryptocurrencies, view account balances and transaction history, and interact with decentralized applications. To get started with Phantom Wallet extension, users can simply download and install the extension from the browser store. Once installed, users can create a new wallet or import an existing one and start using the extension to make transactions and interact with decentralized applications. In conclusion, using Phantom Wallet extension provides users with a convenient, secure and user-friendly way to interact with the Solana blockchain and other decentralized applications. With its advanced security measures and wide range of features and functionality, Phantom Wallet extension is a great tool for anyone looking to get started with cryptocurrency and decentralized applications.